Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to go over our trek to Little Beehive. Now, when we originally filmed this, we were going under the intention of filming Little Beehive, Big Beehive, and Devil's Thumb all in one video. But we have so much footage that we've decided to break it up into 3 different videos. So this video is going to capture the start at Lake Louise to Mirror Lake, Lake Agnes with the tea house, as well as our journey up to Little Beehive. And then we'll do a part 2 and a part 3 video of Big Beehive and Devil's Thumb. So let's get started. So far there's like no one on this trail. We saw two groups pass on the way down. I think they're already going on the way down. Sorry, I'm a bit out of breath. So far, been barely anyone. Two groups passed us on the way. They're going down. I passed one group coming up. So far, no one else. It's a relatively moderate trail. I think the trail is nice and flat so far. There's a few rocks and roots here and there. It's just more of an incline. That's the biggest thing, is the incline. That could be a bit tricky for some people. This is the first lookout on the Lake Agnes Trail. So it took us around 45 minutes to get to Mirror Lake. It's definitely an incline the whole way. Now we're on to Lake Agnes, so let's go. So we stopped at Mirror Lake for a few minutes to take photos and drink some water. After you get past that, the trail is a lot more rocky, and again, it's always an incline, but it's just definitely a lot more rocky. So far I've passed 2 more groups, and one group has come back down this way. It's around 8:30 in the morning, so really there's not that many people out on this trail. I'm sure they're at the tea house or maybe a bit further, or they've gone on. It's definitely a quiet walk. I don't think most people come out this way. So from Mirror Lake to Lake Agnes, it took us around 15 minutes. It's an incline the whole way. We stopped at Lake Agnes for a bit as well. So you could have also come from that way as well, but I decided to go and see the waterfall because someone recommended that. So we've made it to the top of the beehive, the Little Beehive anyways, and there is absolutely no one here. There was no one on the way up that was coming down. It's just me. So that's pretty cool. You come early enough, and I guess most people don't come out this way. Who knows? took us around 30 minutes to get to the Little Beehive. We did stop and stay here for a bit. We're gonna go back a bit further the way we came to take some more pictures and stuff like that. Definitely beautiful views, worth it. It's an incline, it is rocky, so only for those who are fully capable, I would say, come up this way. Like, if you have small children, this is not a good idea. It's also been a steep incline the whole way, so yeah. So we've left the Little Beehive. They're starting to get a few more people who are coming up that way as well. I would say that the lookouts towards the end of the beehive, or sorry, before you get to the end of the beehive, there's really good views before the end. So I would say if you're gonna do your photo ops, that's the point when you can do the photo ops. And then you can go to the top of the beehive, read the placards, and then you can get a bit more of a city-wide view. But if you want the whole Lake Louise view, then you might want to stop earlier and grab some photos at the rocks. Just be careful because it is a cliff. And yeah,